Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia. I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, you need to do it right now. Why? Because I'm sure after this video, or if you watch a couple of other videos, you know that I talk about health benefits, health improvements, correction of your health, healing your health, healing inflammation or any sort of disease you already may have, and still maybe you don't know how to correct your nutrition plan naturally, holistically, with holistic approach. What does it mean? It means you don't need doctor, you don't need hospital, you don't need kilos of pharma, you don't need any kind of prescription and medicine. You can heal yourself with what nature gives you in your location. So you can use your medicine from your food, eat your medicine, have the right habits and extend your life. Have longevity in your life. And not only that you will be able to live to 100 years, so we can label that 90, 100 years is already in the name of longevity, but you will have a joy of life. Even when you are 82, 95, you will still have an energy to live, to travel, to walk, to be physically active, to work out, and again, to have joy in every single moment of your life. So this is what it is about on this channel. So I'm sure you need this. I'm sure you have so many dreams and desires in your life that you may dream when you was kid, maybe in your university, maybe in your early 20s, maybe before your first pregnancy. But nevertheless, no matter what is your age right now, the life is still going on and you still can fulfill those dreams and desires. There is nothing such a too late or you are too old. No, it's not about the clock or the passport age. The main thing is that you have an eager in you to achieve, that you have creativity, that you have enthusiasm and happiness. And this all comes from very basic. How you live, what you eat, how you eat, if you exercise, if you are passive or active in your lifestyle, what is your mindfulness practice? How do you treat yourself emotionally, mindfully, and again in the name of food, activity, and treats? So this is what it is about. So I highly recommend for you to subscribe right now to the channel and to put your notification on, so every day when I upload video for you to learn more about health and holistic approach, you would be notified and you could watch and of course implement the tips and start changing your life. Because you do not need to wait till Monday, till the next summer, you don't need to wait till the holiday season, you do not need, for God's sake, wait for some diagnosis to be prescribed by the doctor to start changing your lifestyle, to start being healthy. You can start right now and it's your most valuable asset. Health is your wealth. And even if you are from a business world and you know what the business it is, and wealth it's really finance and financial assets, when you have more time, when you're healthy, you can do your business, you can create more wealth and success stories while you are healthy and active. So kind of long pre-story today, but I just felt today to express more and to deliver more what it is holistic. I'm very happy that lately it's become more and more popular, and of course I take my mission as to bring to other people transformation with holistic approach. So pre-story is over. Today's video we speak about one super ingredient which would help you and which would invest in your health, which would heal you from any sort, not any or all, from major thing and major issues that we are facing in today's life, from aging, from sickness, from illness, from bacteria, from virus, and this ingredient is celery. So let's have another pre-story. I know that a lot of people do not like celery at all, at all. And I was also one of this person like a couple of years ago. I have kind of pressure jumps. So when I was drinking clean celery juice for a few times, I tried because I'm kind of enthusiast. When it's something really healthy and beneficial for health, I will have it. But the taste, it's one thing, but also because of my spikes of pressure, I had a dizziness after a glass of celery, and even I wasn't drinking on empty stomach condition. So if it's something familiar to you, maybe you feel also dizzy, or maybe you cannot take fully, and you give up kind of, and you say that this is not for you, it's too tasteless, it's not tasty, it's awkward to taste, it's not beneficial because you drink 2-3 times, you do not see any kind of benefits, and you give up. But I will tell you a thing that I have started so many times, and I execute even online celery challenge. You can join also me on Instagram, tag me when you do celery juice, and the people start to see results when we commit for 10 days of celery challenge, and we do it together with my tips, with my consultation how to do it better. So for example, this small tip, like I feel dizzy because I have a spike of pressure, so what I do, I mix after to have it on my regular basis. I will start to put less celery, and I will add pear or apple, or I will add banana, or I will add spoon of honey, or even watermelon or grapes. But again, not all together, this would be too much. Something like celery and apple. Celery could be apple and pear, or celery and pear, celery and watermelon, celery and ginger and lemon, celery and cucumber if you like a bit soury, not sweet, celery and banana, celery and honey, celery and what else I like to mix? I think this is it. Celery and ginger, I think I said. So it's great to even keep it this way and to not drink just plain celery. Also, what I like to make, I like to blend it so you have whole fiber in your system, because celery is only consists from water and fiber, which is so healthy for you to have. So you stay hydrated with the water, and with the fiber your digestion system would be happy. You might start to go to the toilet to clean your colon, and to have, how there is so many advertisement today in the YouTube, the best poo of your life. You might start to have, if you don't have regular schedule, let's say every day, you would start to have daily schedule, a regular schedule, or even for people who have one time only cleansing of the colon, they might observe that they will start to go twice a day, which is great, because again, the portion you might have of the food, do not forget, the same things that you drink in a day, you need to get out of your body is the same. If you give less, it means your body does not work properly. The same comes with the food. If whatever portions you have eaten in your day, you need to give it back. And again, if it stays in your system, it gets rotten, it gets spoiled, then there is become a field for bacteria, and any kind of illness start from your digestive system. So this is so important to understand how your digestive system works, because all of us is unique. So you need to find a way what kind of tricks will help you. Is it's flaxseed and celery, warm water in the morning, 50 jumps of something. You need to learn what your digestive system needs. So you have real hunger before you have food. You go and clean your colon smoothly, and you feel you don't feel bloated, you don't feel constipation, you don't feel heavy. So this is very, very, very important. And what would be great to have, how to begin, right? The celery challenge. So first, as always, I preach, it's your mental agreement. You need to understand that this is for your good. You do this for your goodness, because you need, either if you have already some issue, is it weight management, is it poor digestive system, either you feel bloated, because it also helps a lot to heal bloating and chronic bloating and constipation, and to heal your gut health. Also, that's why we get anxiety and depression, because of our gut health, which is might be poor and weak. That's why at the same time there's bacteria field in our digestion system, but also at the same time it's affect our mindset, and that's why we get anxiety, depression, mood swings. That's why we are craving for something sweet to get us this spike of dopamine, of happiness. But again, it helps also to heal you eating disorders. So you need first to sit down and understand, I will have this 10 days of celery challenge because I want to change my body weight, because I want to heal my gut health. I'm so tired of this bloating and constipation, because I want to heal my skin, this acne and pimples, they're bothering me so much. I want to heal my have smooth digestion. I'm tired to go to the toilet only every 3 days. I wanna get a chance to heal my system and to get reverse my age, because celery is also one of the anti-aging ingredients which helps you, because again, your smooth poo would help digestion to keep always clean, kind of clean and neat. And that's why also your skin would glow. Not only that it will heal from any pimples or acne, but also it will have this special glow, because there is nothing getting rotten in your digestive system. And again, any kind of situation you need to understand why you are doing this. Not because someone punished you, not because you watch this video and I'm telling you that this is great, but no, this also, but you need to find your reason why. And anytime you feel like, no, I will skip, do not skip, because what you do today would result in your harvest health in a couple of years after. So when you start with the 10 days, and it's kind of like, even at the beginning, you might feel the taste is weird, I don't like it. Again, add more banana, add more apple, get this neutralized taste, keep less celery, and then like after 3 days, add a little bit more and less banana or apple. Then after another 3 days, again, you can add a little bit more celery and less other fruits. But it does not mean that you need like a lot of celery, like full bulk of celery. No, basically for one person, for one glass, you need either 1 root or 1.5 if it's too small, and then 1 apple, and blend it with the water. Do not separate fiber from a juice, please, because it's so important to keep it together and to heal, to get these all micro elements together. There's so many. There's vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, antioxidants, and what else? Hydration. There's so much of water, there's so much of fiber. You need all of this. Do not separate, okay? Promise me that you will not separate. And so you start, and if you feel, again, one more very important tip. I had a couple of cases where my clients, women who was doing with me this challenge, they say, Anastasia, I cannot take it. I really cannot take it. Not only dizziness, but they can. So not only for celery juice, my high top tip is while you are eating or drinking, you sit down. So the same goes for celery juice. Sit down and have celery juice. Also, do not cross your legs. Just sit down. You are not in an army. Do not need to sit like super straight and focus and squeezing your system, because celery is not painful. Just enjoy yourself. Sit down and have the celery. You need to learn to reset your taste. Reset your taste indicators on your tongue, because we eat so much of processed food, we eat so much sugar, we eat so much toxins that our taste gets spoiled. That is, at the other hand, when the ingredients, when the food are real, raw, like celery, it's a raw material. You do not need to add anything to celery, it's just perfect by itself. But we cannot take, because our taste is so spoiled with artificial ingredients. So that's why also celery helps you to balance your health with the taste and to heal you. So please do try 10 days of celery challenge. You are always welcome to join me on my Instagram. I have links down below. I do not have 10 days challenge, but I have continuous challenge of celery, and I try to make a picture almost every day. Sometimes I forget, sometimes I have my prep juice, but I have some commitments in the morning and then I drink later on, and I do not click a picture. So please do come share with me your challenge. You can tag me also in Instagram. I will reshare it. I love when people are texting me back that even they're not my clients, some even my friends that text me and they say like, you know what, because of your what you are translating in your Instagram with your encouragement to drink this celery, I start to drink and I see these results and it's amazing. And also the funny thing, remember that at the beginning you might feel you don't like, you hate celery, it's not tasty, you do not see any benefits. Remember, first, it's mindset agreement, why you do this. Second, it's like falling in love. At the beginning, you really don't like this guy. He's so annoying, right? He's bothering you, he's calling you so much. But after some time, in a matter of time, you feel in love, you want to see him every day, you want to meet him more often. So go same about celery. At the beginning, you don't like, you hate, and then even when one day you may miss because again you travel, you are on a trip, you didn't have time, you didn't get stock of celery, you will miss out, you will feel like something missing out. Number 3, if you have this kind of dizziness or pressure spikes, mix it well and reduce quota of celery, add more banana, apple, pear, what would be your favorite mix. Share with me also, I'm always what I like to call it, improvising with the new recipes. And also sit down when you drink. Number 4, sit down when you drink your celery juice or celery smoothie, because we are mixing with other fruits, and have this time for yourself. No need to rush. The work is there, your business meeting. Again, learn to wake up a little bit early to have this peaceful time for yourself, to enjoy the drink, to enjoy your longevity elixir. I call this celery juice and longevity elixir.